it's Fizzy. Hi guys, it's Fizzy and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you watch this video. Hi guys, it's Fizzy and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, it's Fizzy and welcome back to my channel. So you clicked on this video because you want to make a vision board or a dream board or whatever you call it. Okay, so I made my vision board because I made my vision board in August and I've been able to like achieve some of the things on there. So I'm gonna show you how to do a vision board effectively. So instead of a dream board, a vision board effectively. Okay, so usually people would have a big board, put pictures on it, like a scrapbook type of thing. Yeah, I'm a digital girly. I'm like a digital girly. So, and I keep it simple. Like if it's on like a scrapboard or something, I won't really like pay attention to it. So knowing me, I know that I use my notes. So I use my Google iPad notes, and so I can access it easily, and so I can edit it as much as I want. So I want to show you how to do it effectively. Okay, number one, before you start your dream board, okay, give it a name. Okay, what was the name? Okay, before you start your dream board, give it a name. What is the goal? Give it a personality. So it could be a bad bee dream board, the go-getter dream board, like the confessions of a soft life girly dream board. Okay, my dream board is called literally the soft life dream board because that's why I want, a soft life. But now I might actually change it to Confessions of a Soft Life Girly. I might change it to that. That's a great idea. Yes. Give it a name. Give it a personality. Give it a little oomph. And give it a little oomph. And it should be the main thing that you want in life, or maybe the person you want to become. It should be based on that. Okay, the second thing is literally set up your iPhone notes. I just got a new iPhone note. I just created a new iPhone note. I put it in a folder where I can access this. I pin it, and I just literally set it up there. And I love it because it's so easy to access. I can edit it whenever I want, and I remember that it's always there because I always use my notes. The third thing is literally split it into 3 parts. All I do is like use an underscore line just to split it into 3 parts. Or if you want, you can create 3 separate notes so that it can be more organized. But I literally just split one note into 3. So basically, what these tiers are is basically so what you've done, like what you've achieved. That's the first top part. The second part is basically what you're working on now, and the third part is what you haven't started or you haven't started doing because you're focusing on like other things. And well, the effective thing about this, in fact, that it's like digital, is that you can move it around. So that if once you've achieved something, you can move into the done part, or if you know you haven't been working on it, then what you've achieved, you can move back into the working on it part or the I haven't done it part. So it's more effective, and it also helps you keep you on track, because sometimes if you have like a board and you tick it off and say, oh, I've done it, and you realize actually I haven't done it, I haven't been working, I've been focusing on it, then how are you gonna make a note of that? But through this digital board, it just makes it easier and it's less messy. Okay, I would use like different imagery. I usually just got imagery from Google, make it colourful. The list is endless, and when you do get the imagery, you start thinking about what a time limit for your dream board. So for me, it's like 1 year, and then I'll actually set it. I can use the same images that I want if I know I haven't achieved, or I still want to make sure that I focus on it. But my limit is like 1 year for my dream board, because it just, once I know that I'm the type of person where if I give myself a time limit, I'm more likely to achieve it. So give yourself a time limit. And also because I'm the type of person, I probably work better under some pressure, but not pressure, because that would just affect me mentally if it's like constant pressure. But under some pressure, I work more effectively. Okay, so with this vision board, what I like about it is that what I'm going to do is just archive it, so I can look back over the years and be like, oh my god, I wanted to do this and I achieved this and that. And it's like a note diary of all the things you've achieved throughout the years. So once you finish this one, you can archive it in, there should be an archive folder, or just create a new archive dream board folder and store it in there. Also, one thing which is effective as well is that apart from the images, you should also create a plan. How you can create a plan is just by putting notes under each image, just to say, oh, the steps you're going to take and what you're going to do. So just to remind yourself, and you can always copy and paste and move it around. So because with an image, you can have the image, you can keep dreaming about it, but as long as you put steps under that image, you're able to understand, okay, what is it that you need to do, and understand what is it that you haven't been doing, and that's why you haven't been able to achieve this goal, or that's why you haven't been working on this goal. So I wouldn't say pictures are always just having one. I wouldn't recommend just having one picture. I would have notes underneath. And literally, oh my god, that is it. Like a dream board, a vision board, it should be easy, simple. For me, this works because I'm like a digital girly. If I have a board, I'll just neglect it. If I have a book, I'll neglect that book. But with my notes, I can switch it around, and I feel it's more, it's more flexible. So if you like this idea, I would recommend doing this. Let other people know if you like, let me know if it works out for you. Tell other people about this if you know that they may be, because for me, I can be unorganized. You know, people think I'm organized, but I can be unorganized. So with this like works out really effectively for me because it's flexible. I can change things around when I want, and it's neat. Okay. Okay, that's the end of the video. That's it basically. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Don't be afraid to drop me an email. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be posting more videos as much as I can. Probably hopefully 1 to 2 days. Hopefully. Follow me on my socials, and I hope you have a lovely day. And that was it. Toodles.